Pennzoil and Shell Helix are both owned by Shell, the same parent company, the same corporate engineering resources, the same base oil supply chain. But they are not the same oil, and the difference between them matters depending on where you're buying and what your engine needs. If you've ever been at an international AutoZone equivalent traveling abroad and wondered whether to grab a Shell Helix instead of the Pennzoil you'd normally use at home, or if you've seen Shell Helix pop up at a local specialty retailer and wondered whether it's the same thing as Pennzoil, this comparison will clear it up. I'm going to run both through 4 categories and tell you exactly how they differ and which one wins for the American truck owner. Let me start with the corporate relationship between these two brands. Pennzoil became a Shell brand when Shell acquired the Pennzoil Quaker State Company in 2002 for approximately $1.8 billion. Shell already had its own retail oil brand, Shell Helix, which is marketed primarily in international markets outside the United States. In the U.S. market, Shell chose to maintain and invest in the Pennzoil brand rather than replacing it with Helix, recognizing that Pennzoil had decades of brand equity in the American market. Shell Helix is available in some U.S. specialty retailers and online, but it's not a mainstream American retail product the way Pennzoil is. Both brands use Shell's base oil technology, but they're formulated for different market requirements and different OEM specifications. Round 1 is wear protection and certifications. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic carries the current U.S. market API SP and ILSAC GF6 certifications, the top ratings for American passenger car engines. Pennzoil's Pure Plus gas-to-liquids base oil technology, which uses natural gas rather than crude oil as the starting material, produces a cleaner, lower impurity base stock that has documented advantages in direct injection engine testing. Shell Helix Ultra carries the API SP certification as well, and in certain grades, it holds European OEM approvals, including the BMW and Mercedes specifications that Pennzoil's American formulation may not carry. For American truck owners running domestic vehicles, F-150, Silverado, Ram, Pennzoil's API SP formulation, optimized for American market vehicles, gives it the edge in application compatibility. For someone with a European vehicle who finds Shell Helix with the appropriate OEM approvals, those European specs may be the deciding factor. Pennzoil takes round 1 for American applications. Score: Pennzoil 1, Shell Helix 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Both brands at the premium synthetic level use Shell's advanced base oil technology. Shell Helix Ultra and Pennzoil Platinum both have flash points in the 445 to 455 degree Fahrenheit range, and NOAC volatility numbers in the 8 to 10% range for their 5W30 formulations. The base oil quality is similar since it comes from the same corporate resource. Where the specific formulation differences can show up is in the additive packages. Shell has calibrated Helix for its target international markets with different driving conditions and OEM requirements than those dominant in the United States. For American driving conditions and American truck engines, the formulations are comparable in heat resistance. This round is essentially even. Score: tie. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The price difference between these products in the U.S. market. Round 3 is cold weather performance and availability. In the U.S. market, Pennzoil is widely available at Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, and virtually every mass-market retailer in the country. Shell Helix, while available from Shell in international markets and from some U.S. online retailers, is not a mainstream American retail product. If you're buying oil at Walmart at 11 o'clock on a Saturday morning before you do your oil change, Pennzoil is on the shelf, and Shell Helix probably isn't. Cold flow performance between the two brands in comparable viscosity grades is very similar. Both benefit from Shell's base oil technology. Pennzoil takes round 3 on practical U.S. market availability. Score: Pennzoil 2, Shell Helix 0. Round 4 is price and total value in the U.S. market. When Shell Helix Ultra is available from U.S. online sources, it often runs slightly higher than Pennzoil Platinum at U.S. retail, in the $28 to $35 range per 5 quarts, depending on source, versus Pennzoil Platinum's $24 to $26 at Walmart. For an American truck owner, paying more for an oil that has the same base oil platform and similar performance characteristics, but doesn't have the American market distribution support or pricing that Pennzoil enjoys, doesn't make sense. Pennzoil takes round 4 on U.S. market value. Final score: Pennzoil 3, Shell Helix 0. Here's my verdict. For the American truck owner buying oil in the United States, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic is the better buy every time. Same parent company, same core technology, better U.S. market pricing, better retail availability, and American API SP certification specifically optimized for domestic vehicles. Go to Walmart. Grab the Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic in your engine's specified viscosity: 5W30 for most American V8 trucks, 5W20 if your specific engine calls for it, 0W20 for newer, lighter spec applications. 5-quart jug, $24 to $26. The one case where Shell Helix makes sense for an American buyer. If you have a European vehicle and you find Shell Helix Ultra with the specific BMW, Mercedes, or VW OEM approval your vehicle requires, and the price is competitive with other approved oils in that spec, Shell Helix has excellent European OEM coverage that can serve European vehicle owners who can access it. Everything I talked about today, Pennzoil Platinum in the right viscosities and the competing options, is linked in the description below. Next time I'm going through the biggest myth about high-mileage oil that most car owners believe, and correcting it could save you from making a switch that doesn't actually help your engine. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.